Hello, agents. Miss Schrader here, your mission director. So, we are about to engage in the research portion of our mission. So here is an example of your research notes. Of course, you will have to make a copy to share with me. Here are the only two links we'll be using to engage in our research about the bird you have already selected and told me about through the Google form from last week. So, just like last week's chart where you wrote about the information needed and why you need it, as you start to engage in research, you should have the exact same left column, information you need, and now you will start to collect that information through research. So, if you go to this site, you can get general information about your bird. So let's say if my bird is the great crested flycatcher, I go here. I have information about what it looks like, life history, tells me about its habitat, its food, its nesting, its behavior, ways it's conserved, tips for the backyard. All of that important information. Maps show me where it lives, where it migrates, so that might be helpful depending on what information you've determined you needed. Now if we go back to research notes, if you need more information about its nesting habits, you can search it here. The first thing you'd have to do is change this to say Northeast and Littlestown is a town. And then you should be able to find the bird you selected under here. So here you can see how it's performing. So this is species is in decline in our area, where it nests, where the nest box should be attached to, how it's placed, measurements, any other information about creating an effective nest box or birdhouse for this particular bird, which will come in real handy as we start to plan and write a nesting plan. So where would your birdhouse go at school, why, and things of that nature. So that is why this site is helpful. It'll give us more information and hints about how exactly to design a plan for where to place our birdhouse. So that might be helpful. If you, as you complete your research, if you decide you need more information than what was on your previous sheet, that is okay. Just add it to the left column. No need to go back to the other sheet. So anything else, any other piece of information, like maybe you didn't think about nesting, like nest height and other things like that, you can add that to the left column and input the information you find on the right. Please reach out to me through my email. I will add that to this sheet right here if you have any questions. Good luck and keep at it, agents.